Most people scroll through social media every day without realizing they're sitting on one of the easiest income opportunities online. Because right now, you can actually earn money while doing the exact same thing you're already doing, looking at pictures, reposting content, and staying active on your favorite platforms. The secret is understanding that social media is built to push visuals. Images get the most reach, the most shares, and the most engagement. But what most people don't know is that the right kind of image can also generate commissions, even if you don't have followers, don't run ads, and don't know anything about affiliate marketing. This is where AI completely flips the game. There's a tool called Profit Trigger AI that takes any simple picture, a meme, a quote, a trending post, whatever you're already scrolling through, and transforms it into a commission ready asset, not by adding clicks, not by building funnels, but by attaching the perfect hook, message, and curiosity trigger that gets people to take action automatically. You're literally using the same platforms you scroll every day, but instead of wasting time, your images start doing the work for you. Some users are turning ordinary posts into $10, $20, even $50 commissions without changing anything about their daily routine. And because the AI handles the positioning, the caption, and the why should I click this factor, you never have to guess what to post. You just take an image you already like, run it through the AI, and let it work in the background. So if you want to turn your scrolling habit into a simple income stream, check the link in my description and sign up for Profit Trigger AI.